Good day all. Today I am going to present two simple hash functions in session 3 where the CO4 objective is achieved. Okay. The aim of this session is to understanding the two-way hash function, two-way hash value. Okay. And also see the objectives of this hash function is to provide necessary theoretical background and demonstrate the two-way hash function and also apply the simple hash value. So here today's class is on hash function 1 bit by bit XOR operation. Here the input is seen as a series of n-bit blocks including the messages, files, etc. So here in order to provide input to the environment, to the process of understanding the how many blocks available. Here the input is seen as a series of n-bit blocks including files, okay, blocks also. So an n-bit hash function is created by iteratively processing of each block of the input. How you say it is iteratively processing each block? Here the function which is used in hash function is bit by bit exclusive OR, so that each block is has been provided a hash function to implement the cryptographic hash value. So in order to discuss this thing, C1 is very important, CI is very important to legitimate the message through exclusive OR function, so through series of bits. Okay, bit 1 is exclusive of bit 2, and then bit 2 is exclusive of bit 3, and so on. Bit m is to be exclusive up to bit m. Here CI is the 8th bit of hash code. Okay, and m is the number of m bit blocks, n bit blocks in the input, and 8th bit means it is the jth block. 8th bit in the jth blocks. Coming to the hash function 2, it is the simplest method to make things better is to rotate or shift the hash value by 1 bit after each block is to be processed. The following is a summary of the process. First one is start off by setting the n bit hash value to 0. The second one is execute the subsequent instructions on each n bit block of data. Okay, so accordingly rotate the hash value 1 bit to the left and also exclusive on the block of bits with a hash value. So this hash function which is based on the CBC mode. CBC means cipher block chaining, where we have to divide the entire message into fixed size blocks. So here M1, M2 and so on, Mn message has been encrypted using DES algorithm to compute the hash code. So H0 is to be initial value, HI is the encryption on MI with HIM HI of -1 bit. Okay, G is equal to HN. So this is the examples of hash1 function and hash2 function. It has to consider the message of 16 bits, divide the message into 3 blocks, accordingly compute the hash value using bit by bit, and also consider the message, divide the message into 3 blocks and compute the hash value bit by bit. So these are the self-assessment questions. First question is which of the following statements best sums up basic hash function? Here the correct answer is the hash function designed for basic data integrity checks. Okay, second objective question is what is the main function of simple hash function? Here the performing complex mathematical calculations, okay, and also compressing data to reduce the storage space. Okay, coming to the which of the following claims regarding the output size of the simple hash function is true? Here it is larger than input size. Okay, coming to the fourth question, what characteristics of cryptographic hash function does the simple hash function lack? Okay, this is the deterministic output, image resistant, collision resistance, and avalanche effect. So these are the questions which are arriving in the session 3. What could go wrong if you use a straightforward hash function without a collision resistance? Increase in computer complexity, slower data processing speed. Which of the subsequent process is frequently used in basic hash function? Bitwise exclusive, modular arithmetic, bit shifting. Okay, these are 3 are correct. And the hash value is frequently used in an simple hash function is encryption key, data compression algorithm, identifier or index. Both are so data compression algorithm. A simple hash function design is more concerned with the cryptographic security. Okay. This is the summary of session 3 basic algorithms which are known as hash functions, which is used to create a fixed hash value, and also these hash functions frequently use a modular arithmetic bitwise operations and fundamental arithmetic operations. They lack the sophisticated security characteristics. These are the summary of summarize the terminal questions. Okay, thank you.